All right, so I'm going to go ahead and move up, adding circles into this section. And this one looks a little bit oval to me. And then again up here. So really you're just going to be adding circles right where all your branches are. Okay, and then we'll go back to the side. Okay. I love this style of art. It's just very abstract, but it's so colorful. It's very widely used in different areas around the world. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now and start connecting my branches and making them a little bit thicker, because you are going to see, I mean, they do need to look like branches of the tree. And that'll help connect also my trunk. So we're going to keep this, make this go that way. Keep that, make this branch kind of go up here. Same thing up here on the top. We're going to connect this together so that you've got some type of a continuity with your trunk. Okay, now I've kind of got my base going on, started here. Now it's up to you to decide what type of designs you want in your circles. You do not have to match those designs, but you do have to have some type of design in the circle. It cannot just be a solid circle. So a couple of these have maybe a wheel in there with some spokes, and then you're coloring each of those differently. Some of them have another inner circle and then what looks like kind of flower petals. You do have to be detailed in each one of your circles. You do have to add some type of design in your tree. That your original design that you're basing your art piece on has circles in it. I kind of like more lines that look kind of like bark. So that's what I'm going to be doing for mine. And then obviously I'm going to color those differently so that it looks a little different. All right. Also, you've got some background here. I like what they have here with the different possibly pastel colors that you can use in your background. That you must have a background to your tree, to your piece. It cannot be white, it cannot just stay white. So make sure that you choose your background. And then also, I really think the leaves add a lot to the foreground of this piece. So that's what you want to add, is your leaves. You want to get this as close as possible. The only thing that you're able to change is your colors and your designs. But you do want to make the actual piece as close as possible to the original. But then you're going to make it your own when you are doing your coloring. And then you also have some leaves up here in this background. And right here. All right. Can't wait to see your pieces.